Hey guys, Mark Gilbo here at Gilbo Realty. Today I want to cover some stats for the Central New York, Syracuse, New York area and surrounding regions. Surrounding areas, not so much. This is not going to cover Buffalo, Albany, Rochester. Okay, those will be something different. I'm going to cover the Central New York market or Syracuse area. I'm going to cover some properties here, single family and condos. Typically, they're going to be, I don't cover the multifamilies in this. This is just going to be single family and condos, people who typically want to live in them. And also investors looking for single family homes. Okay, so let's take a look. I'm going back 1 year, month to month comparison. Okay, so if we go down here in the bottom, you're going to see all the charts we're going to take a look at. So the sales price, the median sales price is down to 182.5 from the high of 210 back in August of last year. I do expect this to drop during this time of year a little bit, just like it did last year. But last year was down to about 170, and then it started creeping up again. There were still some people left over from COVID, still looking for houses because they couldn't find one in 2021. But that has slowly dropped, and my guess is that'll probably continue in February when the new numbers come out. So median, let's look at an average, 228. Now that takes into consideration previously owned and new construction. Let's look at previously owned. We're about 223. Okay, as an average sale price in the area. That is up from 195. So we're up 14% on previously owned. We're down 15% on new construction. And complete, we're up about 14. Okay. New listings, we're down 362 right now. Last year they were 434. We're down 16.6% to 362. Homes for sale, I expect that to be down because the new listings are low. 883, last year was 818, so we're up 7.9%. And that makes sense. Interest rates are up, less people in the market. Homes for sale should go up slowly. And again, I only see a drop here because of the weather, because of holidays, and people don't want to move this time of year. Okay. Pending. This is the number of homes that were active that went under contract. They're now pending closing. Right now, they're around 297. Last year, they're 418. So, if you're a real estate company like we are, I mean, we really look at this figure. We're down 30% right here in the area for the year. That's a big drop for pending sales. Okay. The reason why I believe that our sales prices and our homes for sale, the price per square foot and all that we're going to cover are up is because inventory is so low right now. So that'll change if inventory starts creeping up. Closed sales, look at this. 366, down 32%. Okay, look at January last year, 544, 366. Days on market, we're creeping up slowly. Okay, which makes sense. January, slow time of year. Month supply, we're still pretty consistent. About 1.5 to 2, depending on what month it is. Percent of list price median, we're going down below that 100%. So there's a little bit of pressure on sellers right now to lower the price, but not much, about 5%. Average, again, 106 down to 100. Price per square foot, 123 is an average. Let's look at new construction. Where's that at? 226. So price per square foot median, price per square foot average is 128 total. And the median is about 123. So we're up 7% price per square foot. Dollar volume, again, if I'm a broker, I'm looking at this. 108 in 2022, 108 million, down to 83 million in the area. It's a pretty big drop, 23%. Okay. Shows to pending, we're at 0 right now, year over year. Average, we're down about 2%, not much. Shows per listing, about 6. We're down about 9%, so that's kind of a good thing. There's a lot of people in this market right now that are just sitting there waiting. If you have a home for sale, and you got a 3% rate on your 30-year mortgage and you paid off 15 years of it, why would you go somewhere else where sales prices are way up, interest rates are way up, and your payment's going to go up? You think about it. Would you move? I mean, right now, a lot of people are telling me they're just sitting tight because number one, it's hard for them to find something. B, the rates are up, so why would they go from a 3 to a 6.85 or 6.75? They don't want to do it. And then the problem is our mortgage rates are going up, but prices are not coming down in line with mortgage rates. Okay? So typically if mortgage rates went up 3%, we should see a tremendous drop in the list price of a home, and that's not happening. Okay? It's not happening fast. It's happening slowly, but not fast. Okay? So you see the sales price, we're pretty consistent. All right. So that's what's going on in the market. If you have any questions, give me a call. Right now, we're in the slow time of year in Syracuse. You know, February and March are typically the slowest months of the year. Come end of March, it'll start ticking up, as you see here. Tick, tick. And we'll see what happens. So any questions, call me. 315-804-4847. Looking to buy a home, buy an investment property, sell a home, sell an investment property, give me a call. And I'll have my information down in the information below. Have fun.